Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix a door something like this. This door is not closing completely. It gets stuck somewhere here. It doesn't close properly. So if you guys have a situation like this at your home that your door is not closing properly, stick around. I'll be showing you guys how to fix this kind of issue. Okay, so to fix this issue on your door, the tool that you need is just a screwdriver. It could be like a flathead one or just a Phillips head one like this. And then once you access your screwdriver, just go to your door hinge and find the screws. Most of the time you'll have 3 screws on your hinge, depends on the weight of the door. And then go to your top screw and then loosen the screw just a little bit like this. 3 of them. Once you loosen the screws on the top hinge, just go back and close your door and see if that worked. If that doesn't work, just go to your bottom hinge also, and then adjust the screws on the bottom hinge as well. Once you've done that, that should solve this kind of issues. These issues happen due to the weather warming up, or that when we head to the winter season or something like that, when the timber get expand or something like that. So I hope this should fix your issue, and we can check this door if that fixed the issue on this door. Okay, I have gone ahead and adjusted the screws on my top hinge, and we can now check if the door is closing completely. Yes, the door is shutting properly now. It is closing all the way in, and once I adjusted the screws on my hinges, the door is realigned and it is not touching on the frame anymore, as you can see. So this is how you fix a sagging or a jammed door at your home. Just adjust the screws on your hinges. So I hope I helped you guys to fix your door, and if you guys like the video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing my channel. I will see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.